Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start building credit with Capital One easy tutorial step by step clearly. Starting the journey to build your credit can be straightforward. Let's dive into how to begin with Capital One. First, visit the Capital One website. Find the section dedicated to credit cards. Explore the options available to you. Look for a card specifically designed for building credit. Consider features like annual fees, interest rates, and rewards. Once you've chosen a card, click on the Apply button. Fill out the application form with your personal information. Make sure to enter your details accurately. Capital One may ask for your income and employment details. Once submitted, you'll receive a decision in just a few minutes. If approved, you'll receive your card in the mail soon. Activate your new Capital One card upon arrival. This can usually be done through the website or mobile app. Start using your card for small purchases. Keep your spending within a budget to avoid debt. Pay off your balance in full each month. This helps to establish a positive credit history. Monitor your credit score regularly through Capital One's tools. Stay informed about how your usage impacts your credit. Consider adding authorized users in the future to build their credit too. By following these steps, you can effectively start building your credit with Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.